We get away, we stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another Vlogtober episode. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, thank you for tuning in for another vlog. So the last few days, y'all, I've been like working really hard. I told y'all I went into the office so I wouldn't be filming like the last couple of days. So it's been 2 days, but we're back. Today is such a beautiful day. It's so nice out, and I'm going out to dinner tonight with one of my friends. So I am going to get really cute, do my makeup, go out and have like a really good dinner. So we're definitely doing that today. But before that, what's on the agenda? We need to hang some wall art. So last week I went to a few different stores to try and find like some paintings to like put in my bathroom, but I couldn't find anything. So I actually found 2 really nice paintings from Target. So we are going to hang those up today, and I want to show you guys what they look like. And then we're going to do a get ready with me, so that way you guys can see how I'm doing my makeup for dinner. And then we're going to go out and have a really cute, fun girls' night. So today is going to be a really chill day in the house, but a fun night outside. So yeah, let's get into the vlog because I really want to show you guys these paintings. I know you guys have probably seen them before on like Amazon, Pinterest, like a few different places, but I finally found them and I actually got them on sale. They were $35 for 2 paintings, but they were on sale for like $21 and some change. So yeah, let me show you guys. How beautiful are these paintings? Like so minimal, but this is what I love. And I know like the last vlog I was telling you guys I'm like kind of over like that whole minimal look, and like I want more color in my space. But every time I go furniture shopping or decor shopping, I always find the best minimal pieces, and like they just draw to my heartstrings. We are going to hang these up in my bathroom. It comes with 2. And again, I got these from Target. They are by the brand Threshold. They have a lot of great stuff, this brand at Target. They have like a lot of good home products that I like to purchase, but I'm really psyched about these. So happy, and really happy that I got them on sale. So yeah, we're gonna hang these up. Like just absolutely stunning. I love them so much. Like they just look so good, and I know they're gonna look so good in my bathroom. So yeah, I'm just like really excited to put these up. I also had to go pick up some command strips, but I just feel like every time I go into Target, I just never go in there and purchase just the thing that I'm looking for. Like it always has to be like more. But I did need to go and get the command strips to hang these photos because I am not the handiest person like at all. And I just feel like the command strips come in clutch every single time. Go and hang these babies up because they're so cute. So I guess I could show y'all what the bathroom looks like. This is why I think the photos are gonna look so nice, because it matches all of like the colors in my bathroom, all of the golds, beiges, browns, the silvers. Like it'll just go really nice. And I have 2 bathrooms in my apartment. However, this one is the one that I actually do my hair and makeup in. So that's why I want to put them in here, because I use this bathroom like all the time. So this bathroom isn't the largest bathroom in the apartment, but I still want to make it like really comfy and cozy. And this wall behind me is the wall where whenever I'm doing like my makeup, my hair and stuff, like this is the wall that's on camera. And I just feel like it's so bare. So I kind of wanted to put like just something here, so that way it brings like some life into like my space. Y'all know your girl is only 4'11", so I had to go get my little step stool to do this. So I kind of want to see like the positioning of how I want them, because there's 2 of them. So I'm like, should I do it like one underneath, like 2 underneath? Or kind of like separate them on the side. I kind of like that instead of doing that. I think, or even No, I kind of do like it like this. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it the way I said that I like to do it before, because that looked good and it made the space look bigger. So I'm gonna do it like that.
Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now, I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, PT.
So I'm definitely really happy with how they look and how they came out. I think they look really, really good. And I'm excited to like just do so much more to like my face. So yeah, y'all, a command strip is going to do it every single time. I'm stressed about my hair. Also, I have to do my hair later, but I don't know how I want to do it. I feel like I need to wash it because it has like a lot of product and stuff in it. And I'm kind of just like, do we do crimps tonight? Or is that too much? Do we just do like a really cute like updo and like curl our hair really pretty? But I'm like really feeling like long crimps. Like I kind of want my hair to be like long since it's basically down my back. And it's jet black, so if we put some crimps in it, I just know it's gonna look good. But I'm also like, if I do that, I'm definitely gonna have to like wash my hair. And I don't feel like it today, guys. I kind of just want to take it easy. I've just come to a conclusion that I don't really know what it is that I want anymore. But it's currently like 12 p.m. in the afternoon, and I'm kind of just chilling right now, getting some stuff together for later. I just put a load of clothes in the washer, and then I need to put another load in after this one, because we are almost at the weekend. Finally, I'm so happy that tomorrow is Friday and that I can actually like relax this weekend. I don't have much to do, and I'm like, there's a rarely ever a time that I don't have anything to do. So I'm like pumped that I have like absolutely nothing to do this weekend, but like just chill and run my errand. So you guys, before I get started with doing like other stuff for the day, I really just wanted to come sit and like thank you guys so much for like really just supporting me. My YouTube channel is really like growing, and I'm like progressing in ways that I didn't think was possible. My channel has grown over 300 subscribers in like a span of like 3 months, and for me, like that's great, because before I would only see like a couple of subscribers like every few months, and I was just stuck and stagnant. But now, like, I just want to say thank you guys for the ones who are tuning in, for the ones who are commenting, liking, subscribing, just sharing my videos, like everything. Like I just want to say thank you, because I'm definitely seeing like so much growth in my channel, and it's definitely giving me hope. So I just wanted to come on and just say thank you guys for just continuing to support me, and for everybody who's new to my channel, I hope you guys stick with me, ride it out with me, because we're definitely growing, and this is going to be like a journey. Everything is a journey, but I'm grateful because this is something that I said that I wanted for a long time. But I can also be honest and say I really didn't put in the work that I was supposed to. And now I'm actually like putting in the work, I'm putting in the time, I'm putting in the effort when it comes to posting, being consistent, editing, like everything. And it's only gonna get better. Yeah, it's only gonna get better. I don't know, like I'm really grateful, and I thank you guys, and I hope you continue to write it out with me. But yeah, I'm gonna finish doing like all my laundry. I know you guys hear that loud wash machine in the background, so sorry about that. But yeah, I'm gonna finish doing like my household chores for the week, so that way my house is like nice and clean by the time it's time for me to go out for dinner, because that's also something that I'm working on. Normally I leave everything a mess. It's like a tornado right before I go out, and then I come home and I'm like, what happened? And now I gotta clean all of this. So I'm trying to start cleaning my home before I go out for the night, so that way when I come back everything is still like super nice and clean. So that's something that I'm working on and will continue to get better at this year. So yeah, I also need to figure out what I'm even wearing to dinner. I bought some pants, some wide leg pants from Target when I went, and they're really cute. They are like a navy color, like a navy green color, or no, they're an olive color, like a light green. And they are like, I don't know if they're denim or what, but they're nice. They're nice, okay? So I think I'm gonna wear that. I just have to figure out what I'm gonna pair it with tonight. So I have to figure that out, but we'll do that later when it's time to like start getting our lives together.
What you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else will do what you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I won't please you any way I can. I won't share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Okay, you guys, so I just finished my makeup. So I'm about to go in and finish up my hair because I literally only have like 40 minutes to get ready, and I want to make sure my outfit is the right one. So for jewelry, I want to wear these beautiful, beautiful earrings that I purchased from none other than Target. Target has really been stepping up their game. Like, y'all have to go there for purses, jewelry. They even have like really cute shoes now. But yes, I got these from Target. So I'm gonna put these on tonight because I do want to be a little extra. I literally love good jewelry. And these are like so beautiful and so me. I'm a little extra at times, but that's okay. Okay. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I had already like tied my hair down, but I have to go in and like do my edges and curl the back of my hair because we're doing like a cute curly updo. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl my hair and get these edges under control.
It's to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions that we play. Sit right next to you, you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. But we should wait. We do what we want, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you, you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you.
Okay, so I went ahead and curled my hair. I low-key like it down, but I feel like with my outfit it'll look better up. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist it at the bottom, and then I'm just using like a regular cheetah claw clip. I'm just gonna pin it up. There we go. I think I am gonna curl it a little bit more to make it a little bit more bouncy, but I love this side. This side I need to liven it up a little bit, but yeah, there we go. All right, y'all, of course I'm rushing now, so I just gotta hurry up and get dressed. Let me show y'all the top of the fit and then I'll show y'all the bottom. So for my bag, I'm wearing my bag from none other than Target. I got this from, I believe, either Pretty Little Thing or Shein, one of them. My top is from H&M. I have on my everyday jewelry, new earrings I just got from Target, everyday watch, bracelet, and my rings. So very cute, very flirty, very girly. Exactly. So this is how it looks. And then I have on these really cute wide leg pants from Target. Super cute, so comfy. And then I have on my white shoes that I got, I believe, from Fashion Nova. So that's the fit. But now I'm like, I gotta rush out of here and go because, oh my gosh, I don't have no gas. Like, I literally always do that. Like, every time I'm going somewhere, I realize I don't have no gas. And I literally have to stop doing it. Like, I will drive until my tank is empty. And I know that damages your car, but it's just so annoying. Like, oh my goodness. Especially because I'm all dialed up. It's like, now I gotta pump gas. Like, be for real. Now I'm rushing to dinner. Hopefully I can make my reservation on time, because I'm normally like an on-time person. So if I can't, I'm gonna be mad. Not mad, but I'm gonna be irritated. Like, real irritated. I don't think so. I think they just cut it open. And then you just dip it in hot butter. You want it?